Here's how to add an automatic table of contents to your paper. So first you want to go through your paper and assign the different headings for each of your topics. So for introduction, we want to add heading. And then if you want to change a different color for this, you can right click on this and click modify. And then you can change the color accordingly. And then also you can change the font size. So we're going to go through and update all of these. So we're going to go ahead and change this to heading 1, and then these, we can change these to heading 2. And then modify as well. We'll modify this one to 12-point font and then also black. And then we'll update paragraph 2 also to heading 2, paragraph 3 to heading 2. Topic 2, we will do heading 1, and then these as well, we will do heading 2. So now what we'll go ahead and do is once we want to add our table of contents, we can go ahead and insert a blank page. And then we'll have our blank page here, and we can go to our references and then table of contents. And if we click the first one, we'll notice that the table of contents automatically updates for this. And then we can rename this to table of contents. And now this will automatically update once we click the update table after adding. So if we wanted to add a conclusion page after our topic 2, let's go ahead and go down to our last page here and type in conclusion. And then if we update this one to heading 1 like the others and go back up to the top, you'll notice that it hasn't updated yet. Reason is we need to go ahead and update the table, which you can click here, or you can go back to references and click update table. We're going to go ahead and update the entire table and click OK, and you'll notice that conclusion is added here at the bottom.